Sermon number 215. Prayer, he often recited. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, who made me such that I have not died nor am I sick, nor have my veins been infected with disease, nor have I been hauled up for my evil acts, nor am I without progeny, nor have I forsaken my religion. Nor do I disbelieve in my Lord, nor do I feel strangeness with my faith, nor is my intelligence affected, nor have I been punished with the punishment of peoples before me. I am a slave in thy possession, I have been guilty of excesses over myself. Thou hast exhausted thy pleas over me and I have no plea before thee. I have no power to take except what thou givest me, and I cannot evade except what thou savest me from. O my Allah! I seek thy protection from becoming destitute despite thy riches, from being misguided despite thy guidance, from being molested in thy realm and from being humiliated while authority rests with thee. O my Allah! Let my spirit be the first of those good objects that thou takest from me and the first trust out of thy favors held in trust with me. O my Allah! We seek thy protection from turning away from thy command or revolting against thy religion, or being led away by our desires instead of by guidance that comes from thee.